How to pay a bill on Citizens Bank. Start by heading over to your application Citizens Bank. Enter your login credential, as in your user ID and the password. Once you've entered your login credential, tap on Login right here, and then you will be logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged into your account, now what you want to do is head over to Pay Bills at the bottom right corner, and then move into Local Cable. At the very top, you need to enter the amount that you want to pay. Once you have entered, click on Done. Now you have to select the account in which you want to pay from. Let me select One Deposit Checking. After that, fill all the information that has been asked to, and then tap on Pay Bills at the bottom of the screen. Now your amount will be paid in the specific date that you have chosen. So that's a wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.